Alright, let's take this tricky math problem and make it simple. You're going to see it's easier than it looks. But before we dive right in, here's a tip. Always take a second to look at the symbols and what's given. Sometimes the clues are right there in the problem itself. They're like little hints about what steps to take next. Let's break it down and see what we're working with first. First, as you can see, we're given an angle that measures 47 degrees, labeled as angle ABC. Let's break down the angles in this problem. I'll use my highlighter to make things clear. I always recommend using at least 2 colors of pen when solving problems. It can really help you see things more clearly. And in this problem, we're looking for the measurement of angle DBC. Now let's highlight the points in this problem. We have 4 points A, B, C, and D. These 4 points make up the angles we are looking for. And at the beginning of the problem, we were given angle ABC, which is 47 degrees. Let's highlight this given angle. And that angle is an acute angle which measures less than 90 degrees. Therefore, its total measure is 47 degrees, and just by knowing that, we can predict that our answer has to be less than 47 degrees as well. Another thing to notice is that this 47-degree angle is made up of 2 angles. Points A, B, and D make up one angle. Let's note that down now, because it's something we know and don't want to forget. This will help us organize the problem nicely. Now that we have our first angle written down, we need to find the next angle, which is made up of points D, B, and C. Let's write down that angle as well, to keep things organized in this problem. Angle ABD has the expression 4x plus 7, and angle DBC is represented by the expression 10 plus 2x. These two expressions represent the measurement of angle ABC, which is the given angle, 47 degrees. That means, if we add these two expressions, they should add up to 47 degrees. Now let's set up our equation, and this will help guide us through finding the solution. The measurement of angle ABC is equal to the sum of angle ABD and angle DBC. The measurement of angle ABC is 47 degrees, which is the given angle, and 47 degrees is equal to the sum of angle ABD and angle DBC, the two expressions. So we're substituting these expressions into the equation. As you can see, organizing everything from the beginning helps us break down any problem, like a puzzle. That's one of the reasons I enjoy math, and if you like math, or even if you don't, let me know in the comments. Now, we need to simplify the expression 4x plus 7 plus 10 plus 2x by adding the like terms. If you're not familiar with like terms, they are terms in an expression that have the same variable raised to the same power. In this case, we have 4x plus 2x as like terms. We add these two like terms, giving us 6x. Now let's find more like terms if possible. I like to rewrite what's left to avoid any mistakes. We have two like terms, two constants, 7 and 10, so we add these two like terms, which gives us 17. Now we need to find the value of the variable x. What is the value of x? Let's write it over to the side. We need to apply some algebra to this problem. What we do on one side, we must do on the other. So we'll subtract 17 from both sides. 47 minus 17 gives us 30. Now, we divide by 6, which cancels the 6, leaving us with x. 30 divided by 6 is 5. Now we know that x equals 5, but we're not done yet. We need to find the measurement of angle DBC. The measurement of DBC is represented by 10 plus 2x. And now we know what x is. We will substitute x with 5. So let's substitute x with 5. We have to multiply 2 times 5, which is 10. Then we add 10 plus 10, giving us 20 degrees. Don't forget your degree symbol. This is where many of us make a mistake. So, let's write our answer in a clearer way by stating the measurement of angle DBC is equal to 20 degrees. And that's how we find the answer to this particular problem. Thank you for watching.